Hi guys, welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm really excited. I got the Let's Resin dinosaur molds. I was so happy. I ordered them from Amazon, but they obviously came from the Amazon US store. And they didn't take that long to get here either, about 3 days I believe. But I've wanted these since I saw them come onto the Let's Resin store. Obviously not the UK one. And I got them as soon as I could. I am so excited about these. So, because there's a lot of spikes in them and little bits where you can get holes or missing resin, I am going to mix the colour into the resin so the powder doesn't get stuck in the spikes and details, and then that causes the bubbles. So I'm going to mix. I've chose 5 colours. I've got the royal blue. These are the Let's Resin chrome powders. I've got blue. I've got green, purple, and holographic silver. So I'm going to get mixing. I am going to mix up. I think they take about 500 for the 2. It's got them on there, but it's got fluid ounces. This one's 6.9 fluid ounces, which is roughly 210, I think, mils, I believe. And this one's got 8.9 fluid ounces, which is like 240, 56, 70, around about 270. So 500 should cover them, but I'm going to make up 600 because I need to do a top coat on another project in clear. So I will be mixing up 600, but I will bring you back when that is ready to pour. I'll see you soon. Hiya, welcome back. Well, I made up 600 mils. I top coated the other project with 100, so I've got 500 mils left. And I've got all of these lovely colours mixed up. I've left the bottles near them so I know which colour's which. So I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit and a little bit and a little bit, if you know what I mean. So a little bit in there. A little bit in there. I'm just going to do that, like alternate them all. I am going to give these a good spray of alcohol. We'll work down so I don't get lost.
Swirling colors, visions blur, pouring resin, time it disappears. Maria's therapy. YouTube channel, come and see. Serenity Crafts, that's me. Serenity Pole, lost in the flow. Serenity Pole, gotta let it go. Crafting is my meditation, yeah. No more hesitation. A new creation, a new day. Serenity Pole, lost in the flow. Serenity Pole, gotta let it go. Come and learn with me, yeah. Come and learn with me, yeah.
Hiya, welcome back. Well, these are all set. My video cut out because my battery died on my phone while I was finishing them off. You didn't miss much. I'd almost finished on the video anyway. So they are ready to demold. I did get this with the leftovers and I just spun it around. This will be the back. This will be the front. I'll just give it a top coat. Quite like that. Right, now for the dinosaurs. I am so excited to be demolding these. Get his little tail out of there. Nice easy moulds to demould. Oh wow, this one's so cute. Oh, he's missing the top of his horn. That's absolutely fine. Look at him. Oh my goodness, he is absolutely beautiful. Didn't do too bad with the bubbles. I mean, there's none in the spikes. They're all whole. The tail's all whole. The tootsies are all whole. It's just the one little spike, which I can build up with UV resin. And these two on his little ears. And that one on his ear. I'm just going to turn this mould the other way. So yeah, I didn't actually squeeze the horns. I didn't know he'd got horns on him. I squeezed the ears and the spikes. I didn't even notice the horns in the mould. But even his horn on his nose is perfect. Oh my goodness, he is the cutest. Right, that's one. Now let's see the big fella. Is this a T-Rex? I think it might be. Get his little tail out of there. And his tootsies. Right, spike's looking good so far. Now his head is huge, so I'm just going to pull these bits to get some air into there. This might be a belly job. Yeah, go around the back first. There. Oh wow! I'll have a look at him in a sec. Let's just get this mould right. There. Oh, look at him. All his spikes are complete. His hands, his tootsies. Oh, he's amazing. Oh, what beautiful moulds. They are my Let's Resin dinosaurs. Look at those chrome powders. They're beautiful, aren't they? Really impressed with all the spikes that come out perfect. Love them. I will do their eyes and his teeth. Got to give him sparkly teeth. I think that's all I'm going to do with them. I think the chrome powders and the actual mould speak enough for themselves, to be honest. I will build up his horn. I will finish these off and I will put pictures on at the end. Oh, I'm in love with them.
Okay, colors bleeding like sunsets over the freeway. Maria got that resin fever, swirling, twirling, YouTube learning, pouring out dreams. Crafting, relaxing, forgetting, taxing, serenity, crafts by Maria. Serenity crafts by Maria. Oh, Serenity crafts by Maria. Come on, Serenity crafts. Lost in the flow, time bends like Salvador Dali. Stress fades. Glitter ain't no.
Okay, guys. Here they are. Doris and Dave the dinosaurs. I just did his eyes and gave him his turkey teeth. and I gave her eyes. I did do them white to start off with, and then I thought, no, that don't look right. So I changed them to black in the end. It looks so much cuter. I also did the top of the horn, as you can see. There you go. Is it going to focus? Yeah, it's focusing. So the horn is now complete, and I'm absolutely in love with them. They are so detailed, and those chrome powders from Let's Resin are amazing. Look at that. Look at those colours on his feet. I absolutely love them. Like, I really do. So I'll put some glamour shots up at the end of Doris and Dave. And that's me done tonight. And I'm saying tonight when it's actually morning, because it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, they are done. They are complete, and I'm so happy. They will be on my craft room table watching me do crafting. I don't think I'll be able to part with these ones. Not my first ones. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I hope you like them too. Don't forget to like and comment. Well, if you want to, that is. I mean, I'm not forcing you to, but if you want to, that would mean the world to me. And if you haven't already, you can subscribe. It doesn't cost a penny. It just helps my channel. And it also tells you when I bring out videos if you press the little bell next to subscribe. And you can be notified when I post a video. I appreciate every single one of you. Can't thank you enough for everything. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.